Hi, Marius here from Mariustraining.com again. Now today I want to show you how to make your first 100 online. It's fairly simple to do once you understand the principles, and unfortunately I cannot guarantee you that you're going to make anything at all. But what most people do is they show you a program and that is it. I would actually like to take some time in this video to go through some of the steps required, where to get traffic, how to improve the sales that you do, how to get future sales from the same offer. But first, let's have a look at this. Okay, so let me show you how to make your first 100 online. Now, let's jump into my computer. I'm going to take my face off the screen for a second. So there are basically 1,000,001 products you can find online to promote. Basically you go to Google, think of anything that you would be interested in. For instance, weight loss. And you type in weight loss with affiliate programs behind that. Let's just do a quick search. You can see there's affiliate programs that you can sign up. You can do that for weight gain offers, selling books, selling cars. The possibilities are endless. But just for this exercise, there is something I want to show you. The site is called HostGator. It's hostgator.com. Nothing special about this site, but as you can see, what they do is they offer web hosting that scales from easy to expert. And it's starting from $2.75 per month. They have their very own website builder, which is a drag and drop for people that are really not technically in the know-how of building a website, or for the more advanced people, they have WordPress hosting. Now, what you need to do is you would need to go click on affiliates, and I'm doing it live, so it might take a little bit of time to load. You can sign up or create a free account to promote HostGator. Then this is their commission structure. 1 to 5 people that you refer and they sign up obviously and purchase a package, you will get $65. 6 to 10 people, $75. 11 to 20, you get your first 100 online. They do some simple math here that $125 multiplied by 21 is $2,600 earned. Now basically what you need to do is you need to sign up, and no, I'm not promoting HostGator and I'm not getting paid for this video. This is just an example to show you of what you can do. So you sign up and you create your free account. You share your link with people that are interested and you earn a commission. Simple as that. Now this is where most people would stop, and as I promised you, I want to show you how to go a little bit further, and I want to show you how I would suggest you start promoting this. Again, there's 1,000,001 ways, and I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. It's called Mariustraining.com. It's a 15-day training for a steal, only $7 for 15 days of training that covers most of these subjects. I would definitely suggest you go have a look and purchase that. But once you've gotten your link from HostGator, I would go to Twitter as an example, and I remember we are promoting a website hosting, and you can go into the search bar and type in I need a website and do a search, and you will see a lot of people would come up. Okay, this one is website ideas, but you can just go through them. They are here. And I want to make a website. So what I will do, you can reply in the comment section and just say, I see you looking for a website. I can offer you from $2.75 per month full website hosting that you can create yourself. You don't need to pay somebody thousands of dollars to make the website for you. This is my link. Another way you can do this is YouTube. Now, YouTube is actually a very nice platform to promote things like this, because your video is evergreen, and what I mean by that is the video stays online forever. And just as an example, let's search how to build a website. And if you scroll down to the results, you'll see this guy's put up a little video there on how to create a website, and he's had 11 million views, and in the description he's put his link to whatever he is selling related to a website. Now, can you imagine how much money this guy has actually made? Now, you can go to canva.com and create a slide and do a simple screen recording, or download it and use that with just a voiceover. You do not need to show your face. There's another little hack that I can show you as well. There are videos online that you can reuse for free. Basically, you would click on search for how to build a website or how to design a website, something in that order. Click on filters, click on Creative Commons, and then you would find videos that can be reused. So basically, we just open the website. So video, just pause there for a second, go into the description, and you will have to scroll all the way down, but you see there the license, Creative Commons, reuse allowed. Now there's a nice little tool, I will leave the link down the bottom for you as well. This is called TubeBuddy. Now obviously you have to find keywords to rank. It's no use your video sitting on the 500th page of YouTube and nobody sees it. And you can look at the score for this keyword is a 43. If you change it, you can how to design a website. You can see it will calculate the score for you. It's also 41, but this is a very nice tool. I'm just showing it. I'm not going to search for a keyword that matches up 100%. Other platforms that you can use, Facebook, Instagram. The possibilities are really endless in marketing, but as I said, I will leave a link to TubeBuddies. I would also leave a link to that training that I definitely want to urge you to have a look at. As I said, it's only $7 for 15 days of training. I would leave a link. Well, before I tell you what link, let me show you a nice hack. So you've got your traffic source, and excuse my drawing, it's terrible, but say Twitter, or you're using YouTube, and you are sending traffic or people from there to your offer on the HostGator site. They purchase and you get a commission for it. Now my hack, and this you will learn in the training as well, is you still got your Twitter or your YouTube, but you create what's called a lead capture page. I'm just going to put the LC for lead capture, and you've still got your HostGator offer. So you send traffic not directly to the product, but you send them to your lead capture page, where you actually ask them to fill in their email. And I've opened up an example, if you'll just give me a second. This is a simple lead capture page for something else, but you ask them for the name, you ask them for their email address, and as I said, from there, this page automatically directs them to the offer once they've submitted their email address. But now what you're doing is you're collecting emails, and you can put this to use in two ways. The emails that you collect, you can set up an autoresponder, which is emails that get sent out automatically to all of these, and you can send them automatic email once a week and just remind them of your offer. Or you can collect these emails, and let's say in a month's time, you know that all these people are interested in websites, and most probably by now they've started their own website, and you go to Google and you can search for some fancy plugin that will improve their website, and you can become an affiliate. You sign up for free there as well, and then all that you need to do is send out an email to all 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 20,000 people that you've collected addresses from, and just notify them, tell them about this great new plugin that will help them in such a way. And that is already a lot of sales without having to go through all the headache of going to Twitter again, creating a new YouTube video. So I hope that helps you. I've left a link on the description of this video where you can get your landing page for free for 30 days with no card required. I've also left you the TubeBuddy link, which you can actually get for free. You don't need to use the paid version for now. And then most importantly, as I said, I cannot teach you everything in one video. It's a long process, and I'd have to make a 20-hour video to do so. But I've also left a link to my favorite training. Yes, it is 15 days long, but it comes at a steal, if I can call it that. It's only $7. So I'd urge you to have a look at that. Click on the link, Mariustraining.com, and take it up for yourself, and you can learn really how to start making proper money online. See you in the next video.